Hello, today we will guide you through how to create merge request in GitLab. To begin, open GitLab in your browser and make sure you are on the home page. This is the starting point where you can access your repositories and project tools. If you are already signed in, you should be able to move directly to your workspace. From the home page, click on Projects. This will take you to the area where your available repositories are listed. In GitLab, projects are where your code, branches, and collaboration features are managed, so this is where the merge request process begins. Next, open the project you want to work in by selecting the demo project shown on screen. Once you enter the project, you will be on its main page, where you can manage files, branches, commits, and merge requests. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct repository before continuing, especially if you work across multiple projects. Now look for the plus sign near the top of the project interface and click it. This menu gives you quick access to common actions you can take inside the project. From that menu, choose New Branch. Creating a branch is an important step because it allows you to make changes separately from the main codebase. This helps keep development organized and makes it easier to review updates before merging them. In the branch name field, enter a sample branch name. When naming a branch, it is usually helpful to choose something clear and descriptive so it is easy to recognize later. Keep the name simple and relevant to the work being done. After entering the branch name, click Create Branch. GitLab will then generate the new branch for you. Once the branch has been created, you are ready to begin the merge request workflow. This branch is what GitLab will compare against the target branch when you request to merge your changes. Finally, click Create Merge Request. This opens the merge request setup page where GitLab starts preparing the request based on the branch you just created. A merge request is used to propose your branch changes for review and eventual merging into another branch, often the main or default branch. At this point, you have successfully started the process of creating a merge request in GitLab. As a quick tip, always double-check the source and target branches on the next screen to make sure the request is going to the correct destination. That's it for this guide on how to create merge request in GitLab.